Federal solicitations can feel overwhelming, full of acronyms, legal terms, and technical requirements. But once you know how to break them down, you'll see that solicitations actually follow a structure designed to help you. In this video, we'll walk through how to read and understand federal solicitations, including RFPs, RFQs, and more, so you can position your business to win contracts. A solicitation is the government's official request for proposals, quotes, or bids when they need goods or services. Think of it as their job posting, but with a lot more detail. The three most common types are RFP, request for proposal, RFQ, request for quote, and IFB, invitation for bid. Each has slightly different expectations, but all follow a structured format. Federal solicitations are organized to include key parts: point of contact, including the name, address, and contact information for the contracting officer; set-aside information if applicable, including whether the proposed action will be a total or partial small business set-aside or local area set-aside; codes for services or supplies, meaning the appropriate NAICS codes and or product service code to identify the services or supplies to be procured; description of supplies or services to be procured. This could include specifications, technical data, and other pertinent information necessary. There might be instructions on how to access this information. Evaluation factors. There will be a section on evaluation factors that tell you exactly what the government needs, how to submit your proposal, and how you'll be evaluated. Timing will be established to determine a date for receipt of quotations or offers. While every section is important, beginners should pay special attention to three areas. First, statement of work or performance work statement. This explains what the government needs. Read it carefully to make sure your business can meet the requirements. Second, instructions to offers. This tells you how to submit your proposal, including format, page limits, and due dates. Missing a detail here can disqualify your bid. Third, evaluation factors. This is the government's grading rubric. It tells you exactly what they care about most, whether it's price, technical expertise, or past performance. Solicitations often include requirements that might look intimidating. For example, you might see NAICS codes, which describe exactly what the products or services are to be procured. There might be set-aside status, which tell you if the opportunity is reserved for small businesses. You might see past performance requirements, which is just simply examples of work you've done before. You might see technical volumes versus cost volumes. Here you'll want to separate documents the government wants to evaluate your proposal in a fair manner. By breaking these down one by one, you'll see they're simply guidelines to ensure the government gets what it needs. Here are some tips to make reading solicitations easier. First, start with the instructions to offers and evaluation criteria. They tell you how to structure your response. Second, skim the statement of work or the performance work statement to confirm it fits your business. Third, highlight key words like shall or must. These are mandatory. Fourth, use a compliance matrix, a simple table matching requirements to where you'll address them in your proposal. That'll make sure you capture everything. A few common mistakes to avoid are the following: ignoring formatting instructions like page limits or font size, overlooking attachments. Sometimes critical details are hidden in them. Assuming lowest price always wins. In many cases, technical capability outweighs cost. Waiting until the last minute to read the solicitation. Always start early to allow time for questions and clarifications. Federal solicitations may seem complex, but they're really just structured documents meant to guide you. By focusing on the statement of work, instructions, and evaluation criteria, you'll be far ahead of the competition. If you'd like more guides on federal contracting, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out our videos on SAM.gov registration and proposal writing. Good luck on your next opportunity.